Stop right there. If your wireless ISP or internet service provider business is tangled in spreadsheets, trying to manage technician schedules and dispatching, you're leaving efficiency and money on the table. Today, we're diving deep into the powerful schedule and dispatching features within Visp.net, the billing and automation software built to streamline your operations. We're going to show you exactly how to set up your team for maximum impact. From defining a fiber ninja to auto-scheduling a truck roll and seeing it all hit the calendar. Let's make your operations truly efficient. The first crucial step is building your technician skills database. This ensures the right person gets the right job. We'll start by clicking the 9-dot App Launcher menu. Navigate to CRM and select Technician Skills. Here, you can add all the capabilities your team possesses. Think of typical skills like fiber installation, wireless installation, hybrid installation, cable installation, and even truck driving. Simply enter the skill name and click Save. You've now successfully saved your first set of skills. Now, let's assign these skills to a specific technician. Click on the App Launcher again, go to General, and then select Users. Find the user and click the 3 vertical dots. Select Edit. Crucially, you must toggle or check the option that says Set this app user as technician. This unlocks the ability to define their work capabilities. Click Select Skills, choose the relevant skills, e.g., fiber installation, and then set their available work days and start-end times, e.g., Monday and Tuesday, 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can add multiple days with different times using the plus button. Click Save to confirm their role, skills, and availability. Team members need time off, and the system needs to know when they're unavailable. Go back to the 9-dot App Launcher, select CRM, and then click on Technician Time Off. Click the Schedule button to open the calendar. Select the specific date for the time off. Choose the technician. Specify the type, for example, partial time off. And enter the start/end times, for example, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Save to block out that time, instantly removing them from the available dispatch pool during that period. This is where the magic happens, moving from a customer issue to a scheduled technician in seconds. Click on the Subscribers section in the left sidebar. Select a specific customer to view their details. Navigate to the Tickets section and click the blue plus sign. In the dialog box, set the assignment type to Subscriber. Set Priority to Normal. And select the ticket type as On-Site Install. Click Create to generate the ticket. Once the ticket is created, click the Auto Schedule option. Under Optional Parameters, choose the required skill for the job. For example, fiber installation. The system shows you available dates and times. Select your preferred date and time slot. Click on Route Optimization. This feature, which is becoming increasingly advanced, uses data like job location and technician availability to suggest the best technician en route. This leads to improved efficiency, cost reduction, and timely service. Select the suggested technician and click Submit. And that's it. You've successfully configured your team, created a job, and used the Visp.net schedule and dispatching feature to automatically assign a technician, update the ticket, and place the appointment right onto the service desk calendar for validation. Here's the high-level playbook. 1. Define skills and set technician user availability. 2. Schedule technician time off. 3. Create a ticket and use auto-schedule with route optimization. We're constantly working to improve this feature, ensuring your ISP stays ahead of the curve. If this video helped you streamline your operations, smash that like button. What other Visp.net features would you like us to deep dive into next? Let me know in the comments below.